everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. I'm also fine. This camera clarity is not good and I'm making this video. I think you are listening properly. So please, I want that you have to watch complete video for latest update what is going on for examination and when will exam start in DBRAU for our university. I made this video, and then yesterday night I have visited in DBRAU website, and then I have seen that there is mentioned some notices, and you can check that, and you have to visit that website, particular that website. And I have seen that for MBBS examination there is there is date sheet, and continuously exam were going on after some time. And if we will talk about main examination, there was a tentative date sheet and there was not any declaration about dates, and the students were asking in comment section that dates, what will be date is not mentioned. So students, I want to confirm you that dates will mention today or tomorrow, most probably till tomorrow date sheet will be uploaded on the website. You can do one thing, you can subscribe this channel with bell icon, and what will be latest update for I will confirm you, intimate you after some time whenever latest update will be upload on the website. And you have to keep in touch on that website, and you will get important links, you will get important notices there on the exactly website. So because of YouTubers are making videos day by day, and what is exactly information you will get just on the website. So I am suggesting you that keep in touch on that same website. And students, whenever your date sheet will become upload, then your examination there is possibility that date sheet will be continuously. Likewise, there will be no any gap among the examinations. So you have to prepare continuously. You have to keep in your mind that your examination will be going on without any gap. There will be no any gap, okay, besides Sunday. So till now tentative date sheet is available on the website, not exactly date sheet is available. And for MBBS examination and for any other institutes, you can check there, some date sheet are available if you belongs from that particular courses. And for main examination, BA, BCom, MA, MCom, date sheet is just tentative, not date wise. So most probably I am expecting, and you are expecting, that today or till tomorrow date sheet will be uploaded. And students, you have to prepare for your examination according to MCQ questions. You have to prepare MCQ book according to MCQ book, and then you have to fill that OMR sheet. You know very well that your examination will be going on the OMR based sheet, and just you have to fill that circles, and what will be exactly answer, just you have to clear 50 objective questions, not too much. You have to just solve 50 questions. Because of this, sheets will be checked according to computerized, and it will be checked by computerized based and not manually. So think about it in your mind that you have to just solve 50 questions. If you will do more than 50 questions, then this implication will be bad for computer based sheets. Because of I confirmed you that sheets will be checked by computer. So students, MCQ questions, Hindi versions, Hindi medium books are available in book vendor. If you will call to book vendor's shop and you will ask them, then they will provide you information that Hindi books are available but English books are not available. So English medium students are facing some problem and they are not getting exactly books. And but English medium students, you can do one thing, that you know very well Hindi, you know Matrabhasha is in Hindi, so you have to convert. If you know English, then this is very easy for you. Just you have to read that Hindi medium MCQ, and you have to convert that questions in English medium. You can do, you know very well, you know English. So very small thing, don't take it tension. If you are facing some problem, then you can sort out, you can ask to your senior persons who are teaching same courses. So I'm telling you exactly things, I have told you all things in this video. And examination will be going on for duration will be 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour just, and you have to clear 50 question by 100 questions. And let's see, date sheet will come as soon as possible. University is uploading date sheet. University has uploaded date sheet tomorrow, yesterday night, and before yesterday. So university is sending information daily. You have to keep in touch on DBRAU website, and whatever will be information I have, I'll provide you. I'll try that I'll provide you as soon as possible. Whenever I have free time, I made video. I'm making video, and right now my child is weeping, but still I'm making this video. And you are listening that voices, and some voices are creating problem to you, I can understand, but please, sorry. And students, please subscribe this channel, because of this is channel 1 year old. I made this channel, and everybody gave me support for growing this channel, and this channel has grown and monetized, you know, very, I don't know you know policy or not, and what I'm talking right now, this is not linked by your examination, but still I'm talking. And students, just I want to say that whatever will be latest update, I'll try. Firstly, I'll inform you, and ready for your examination. And in month of July, university is trying that examination will be conducted on the colleges, and there is nothing new. And thank you so much. And if you share this video till end, please hit the like button. And I told you already, please subscribe this channel with bell icon. Bell icon's role is very big. You will get all notification towards this channel, otherwise you will not get all notifications, not a single notification. So you have to press bell icons, okay? And my other channel link I'm providing you in description box, and please subscribe this too. And thank you so much. Bye bye.